Hi, good day. My name is Niels Berghout, and in this video, I'm going to show you an example how you can use our node and get data from a LinkedIn profile. So it starts with this example workflow where there's like a click to execute the workflow. There's a Google Sheet attached to it. There's our SourceGeek node, which gets data from a LinkedIn profile, and again the Google Sheet to update the row of information. How the Google Sheet looks like. First name, last name, and the profile URL. For our example, we only need the profile URL, and then the rest will be populated by the node. So once I'm going to execute this, you'll see the execution is all done. Now looking at the sheet again, it's populated with all information about this LinkedIn profile, like location, job title, company, also birth year, gender, and also additional information like disk information. Looking inside the node, you can see it's been executed, and like a lot of data elements come back to it. So you can use it for your own good. Thank you very much.